Setting up your PayAnywhere Smart Keypad or Smart PinPad Pro. Open your PayAnywhere Smart Keypad or Smart PinPad Pro box. Inside you'll find a quick start guide, AC power cord and adapter, preloaded thermal printer paper roll and an Ethernet cord, and the PAX A80 and SP30 terminals. Power up the A80. Connect the AC power cord into the power adapter. Then plug the charging cord into the power port on the bottom of the terminal. Plug the power cord firmly into a power outlet. Press and hold the power button to turn the terminal on. Connecting the SP30. If you're using the SP30, connect the SP30 cord to the PinPad port on the back side of the A80. The SP30 will automatically turn on once connected. Connect to Wi-Fi. Tap the settings icon on the terminal's home screen. Toggle on Wi-Fi, then tap Wi-Fi to view a list of available networks. Select your desired network. Enter the password if necessary, and tap Connect. Return to the terminal's home screen by tapping the Home icon. Log in to the PayAnywhere app. Launch the app by tapping the PayAnywhere icon. To log in, tap the QR code icon. Then scan the QR code provided in your welcome email with the front-facing camera. You can also log in with the email address and password you used when creating your account. Upon logging in for the first time, you may be prompted to accept the user agreement. Customize your app. Tap the menu icon to navigate to Settings. Here you can configure payment preferences, set tax and tip options, customize receipts, and more. Now you're ready to accept payments